To better prepare for our departure north, Pino decided it was best to hang out in a marina for a little while. Our arrivals into marinas or anchorages are always made difficult by something, usually heavy rain, and this time was no different. We entered the narrow channel at Vunda Marina, ready to med moor. All of the boats here moor bow to the shore, with stern lines leading to buoys in the water. The boats here are packed in real tight. When the harbor master showed us our slip, I motioned with my hands, telling them that it was too narrow for Pino's big hips. Pino did fit in the end, and was squeezed between two giants. Vunda Marina is a nice place. Calm, quiet. But getting on and off the boat at low tide here is tricky. The docks don't rise and fall with the water. At first glance, it looked like we wouldn't be getting off the boat at low tide, given the height of the dock we had to get onto. To get off, we'd pull Pino's nose in using a rope, climbing on the railing, using it as a step if the tide was low. It all worked out. Everything always works out. We learned a few tricks after a while and came to enjoy it. A lot of people come to Vunda to check out, or to leave their boats here for the cyclone season. Walking around the boatyard, you see vessels lying in cyclone pits, large holes in the ground, with the boat cushioned and kept leveled by old tires. This is a sure way to make sure the wind doesn't knock your boat over. We spent time here getting Pino ready for the next passage, rebedding our leaky chain plates, filling our propane tank and provisioning. The town of Lautoka is a short bus ride away. The fresh market there is great, full of veggies and fruit and bustling with shoppers. We snaked around the various aisles and tables, trying to find veggies that last. Lacking refrigeration, we have to opt for root veggies most of the time. Potatoes, cabbage, pumpkin, or local produce like breadfruit and plantains. You know how excited we get about breadfruit. We found breadfruit flour in a store here and made noodles with it. We really like to experiment with food. The link to the recipe is in the description below. We didn't know what to expect when we arrived here in Fiji 4 months ago. The people are friendly, the market's plentiful, and most important of all, for us, the internet is fast and cheap. It's cheaper than in Canada, if you can believe it. Staying here longer would be easy. Returning to New Zealand too would be nice, but the pull of Japan is too strong. Our next stop is Tuvalu, one of the smallest and most isolated nations in the world, and one of the many low-lying islands threatened by sea level rise. Hope you enjoyed this video, and see you next time.